My name is Srinita. I am studying 10th class, ZPHS Palakurthhy, Jangaon district.
My name is L. Vijayalakshmi. I am studying 10th class from Palakurthhy, ZPHS Palakurthhy, district Jangaon.
Disturbance propagating from one place to another place is called wave. Disturbance propagating from one place to another place is called wave. This is disturbance. Waves are two types. One is longitudinal waves, second one is transversal waves. Let's explain longitudinal waves. This is longitudinal waves. Waves vibrate in the same direction is called longitudinal waves. This is denser. This is rarer. This is low cost material, only 5 rupees.
Second one is transversal wave. Transversal wave is a perpendicular to each other. Vibration of perpendicular to each other. Crust trough. Crust trough. పైకి వెళ్ళేదాన్ని క్రస్ట్ అంటారు, కిందికి వెళ్ళేదాన్ని ట్రఫ్ అంటారు. ఇట్స్ లో కాస్ట్ మెటీరియల్, ఓన్లీ 5 rupees. Thank you everyone.